Hi Dragonflies, this is your last day of phase 4. You've done so well and you've completed all the sounds and all the chopping up and all the blending there is in phase 4, and now you know all your phase 2, 3 and 4 tricky words. I'm so proud of you all, and you've worked so hard. After today, tomorrow, you're just going to do some writing with your grown-ups just to sort of have a little practice. And then on Monday, Miss Perkins is going to recap all of phase 3 with you over the next 2 weeks. And then after half term, you'll be straight into phase 5, which is amazing. You've worked so hard and I'm so proud of you all. And I'm going to miss seeing you every day. However, I am doing a little intervention, little workshop, which is going to be on 3 times a week, and you'll find it on the website. Your grown-ups can find it with you, which is a recap of phase 2. So it will do none of you any harm to have a little look at it, maybe on once or twice a week. Have a little look at them, and it will remind you of all the tricky words in phase 2 and all the sounds in phase 2. And I'd love to see you all again, okay? And then when we're back in class, we can all carry on as normal. But until then, let's get our phase 4 finished, and then you can say you've done it. You're so good. Now remember, nice and quick. Let's go. Your, sh, or, are, a, super, yeah, I, brilliant, ow, j, z, ear, brilliant, keep going, v, z, ch, w, o, e, x, qu, oi, e, and uh-oh. Really good, super, that's amazing. Miss Perkins is going to be so pleased when she hears you doing your phase 3 for her next week. Right, remember yesterday we were doing our phono frames, so we had some with 4, some with 5, and we'll have one with 6. Let's have a little go today, okay? So the first word I want you to write is damp. Damp. D-a-m-p. Damp. Are we ready? D. A. M. P. Damp. Brilliant. Well done. You're getting so good at this. The next one is lunch. Think of how many sounds is in lunch. Should we do it together? L, R, N, ch, which is 4, because the ch sound makes one sound. Let's write it down. L, R, N, ch, lunch. L, R, N, ch, lunch. Blend it together, it makes lunch. Excellent. The next one is smells. Smells. Let's see how many sounds are in smells. S, m, e, l, s. Smells. 5. We write them down. S, m, e, double trouble, o, s, smells. Smells, smells. There are 5 sounds and smells. And I'm going to give you a really tricky one, see how you get on. Scrunch. Remember we talked about that the other day? Scrunching up a ball of paper or something like that. Scrunch. Let's have a go. Ch. How many? 6. Let's write them down. S, k, n, ch. Scrunch. And there are 6 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds in that word. Brilliant. Right, let's start our sentences. What's the first thing you have to think of when you're writing a sentence? Capital letter. Next is a finger space, and the next one is your punctuation. So full stop, exclamation mark, question mark. Are we ready? The first sentence is: do all brown toads grunt and groan? Again. Do all brown brown toads toads grunt grunt and groan. Groan. Are we ready? I'm starting on the left hand side. Do, tricky word, do. Remember, that's how we do a capital D. Do all, finger space, all, tricky word, all. Do all brown. All brown toads. Do all brown toads grunt. I'm going to go over here because I don't think you can all see there so well. A little bit. I might fit in here. Grunt. No, it's me and my camera. Do all brown toads grunt and groan. O sound, groan. What's at the end of my sentence? Do all brown toads grunt and groan? That's a question, so there's going to be a question mark. Brilliant, excellent. The next sentence I'd like you to do is my chimp. My chimp had a sandwich for her lunch. My chimp had a sandwich for her lunch. Okay, let's go. First word is my, tricky word, my, capital M. My chimp. Let's chop up chimp. Ch. Ch. I. My chimp had a sandwich. Remember, we can clap it out. Sandwich. Sandwich. For all. Tricky word. Her lunch. 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 Full stop. Let's read it back. My chimp had a sandwich for her lunch. Brilliant. Well done. So proud of your sentences and your chopping up and your blending. Now let's do our final lot of tricky words, nice and quick. Are we ready? Her. Was. My, we had that today, my. The. Are. All. No. I. They. You. Go. Into. He. Be. Me. She. We. To. And the trickier ones. When. One of our new ones. What. Come. Some. Have. Were. One. Like. There. Do. Little. Said. So, and our last new one, out. Well, thank you so much, Dragonflies. Please keep up the good work. It was lovely working with you the last few weeks. Carry on doing your tricky words, your chopping up, your blending and your reading. And some writing would be good as well. Work hard with Miss Perkins and please look at my interventions which will help you with your phase 2. It's just a recap. It's just everything you've done before, but it will help you with your reading and writing. Miss you all. Can't wait to see you on Zoom and I'll see you all soon.